In this video, we're going to review the physical features of the Nautiz X6 ultra rugged handheld phablet. This device is made by Handheld US, or the Handheld Group, and the exact model number is the Nautiz X6P. Opening the box, which is a sturdy and well-built design, we find a rubberized packing foam and a custom cut or specialty cradle area in that foam for the device itself. Underneath that, we have a AC power adapter and a 6-foot USB-C charging cable. The device itself is very well made and with a focus on rugged reliability for your business operation. There's some key distinctions to make here between a business device and a retail or consumer device. First of all, you'll notice that the screen is a large 6-inch display. It's made to be used with or without gloves and sunlight readable. It's also made of Corning Gorilla Glass, which is a very tough glass, and Harvest Scale quotes it with a screen protector in place as well. Going around the bottom, you'll find function buttons here. The power button turns the device on and off. These keys aren't currently mapped to anything. Forward-facing speaker. On the side, this is a very important button. This button actually fires the built-in 2D imaging scanner. So there's a nice rubberized stop here on the bottom of it for resting on tables. And then you can actually see the 2D imaging part of the scanner here. And the fact that this button is all built into the device and you actually screw it into place, and Harvest Scale configures this for you, so there's no setup or anything required. It's all built right in. There's no Bluetooth or anything to go wrong. Everything is happening within the device itself. You've got some power buttons here on the side for volume. And the device is ruggedized in the corners. You see there's kind of additional material here to protect against any kind of damage or dings or drops or anything like that. The temperature range that the device is rated to is from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's designed to withstand 6 drops from about 5 feet in the air onto a hard concrete surface. The device itself is actually water and dust resistant to IP67 rating, meaning that it's rated to be submerged underwater up to 3 feet deep without any water intrusion. We recommend quoting the hand strap with this device, as field workers who are time clocking or scanning workers out in the field can slip their hand through the hand strap and then very easily press the scanner activation button here and not actually have to hold it and have their other hand free to assist with loading operations or anything else going on near the picking cart. Going into some of the serviceability of the device, this also separates it from kind of a commercial or a retail device, that there's some locking mechanisms here, which click open like that, and then this whole cover pops open, which contains the battery compartment. I've already done that on this unit here. It's important to note that this isn't designed to be done every shift. This is more meant to be able to access this battery compartment in the event after several years, the lifetime or the duration that the battery runs the unit has degraded and you would actually need to replace the battery. It is an 8,000 milliamp battery, and at the time of this recording only costs $109 US. Another key distinction to make is that this device comes with some business-centric management software, and we ship these units with the kiosk mode enabled. In the kiosk mode, if you notice, there's no other Android specific functions that you can do. All you can do is open up the time clocking app within Harvest Scale and time clock employees. Everything else is locked down out of the device, so it will minimize any kind of data usage that maybe would be done from employees in non-authorized applications. And this allows Harvest Scale to offer very low-cost data plans for these devices. We can also tell the battery temperature and the battery charge state. We can actually see the cellular connectivity strength all through a mobile management software package. So we can help you diagnose if there's any issues or concerns with the device out in the field. HarvestScale has some visibility to help you find out what's going on with your specific device by helping you manage it. This pretty much concludes the physical feature overview of the Nautiz X6 handheld unit. In other videos, we'll review some of the software functionality and the time clocking features that HSS has developed. Thank you so much for watching.